Hey everyone, it's me again, Jeremy with Paragon. We are about to start new products February, but before we do, I wanted to remind everybody about a couple things. One, we are located in Iowa. Two, we actually stock things, as you can see, in our warehouse here. A lot of people do not do that. But when you head over to our website and you look above the Add to Cart button, it's gonna give you a status of the product, whether it's in stock, back order, if we know the ETA when that back order is coming in. Also, if you're on a product that has different colors, whether it's titanium tips, red, black, blue, green, and you select that color option, that status is gonna change to in stock or out of stock. So, don't need to call us unless you really wanna try to talk to somebody here, but the website will answer all those questions for you. So let's get started with new products February. First up for February is going to be our Paragon Z06 front splash guards. We had 100 of these come in right away. They're all gone. We have 300 more inbound. 57 of those are already pre-sold. So if you're looking for front carbon flash painted splash guards for your Z06, come on their website, grab a set now. They are going quickly. And some of you are asking, why do you only make fronts? Well, if you look at the car, all of the car is behind the front wheel, so that's where all of your rock chips are going to come from. We got started on the rear set a little later. The rear set honestly isn't going to do anything for you, but to me look a little awkward. There's nothing at the back of the car to damage, but if you want it, we'll make it. So it's in production. Again, you want those front splash guards for your Z06, head over to the website. Make sure you grab a set now. They are moving very quickly. And the last item from Paragon this month is gonna be hats. We've had people ask for this. So now we have Paragon hats available. And then go with a t-shirt, which we also have available on our website. Be sure to check them out. For one of our favorite vendors, it's VERUS Engineering. This has been an item that we've been asked about time and time again for probably the last 3 years. And it's, why do you guys not have dive planes in carbon flash? Well, we went ahead and made molds for ABS plastic and had them made in carbon flash. So now those great carbon fiber dive planes that actually produce downforce for the Stingray cars is available in a painted carbon flash, which will match all your OEM accessories in carbon flash. And new for February is VOSSEN HF7 20-inch front wheels and 21-inch rear wheels in chrome. These chrome wheels are a custom thing that we do. We get raw VOSSEN wheels and we have them sent out and chromed. When we had these HF7s made, we also restocked on the popular HF5 setups in 19 and 20 and 2021. We also have the HF7s in a 19 and 20 as well. They're gonna fit your stock tires if you wanna do that. All the offsets are gonna be flush with your fenders, so you don't need wheel spacers or anything. It's gonna help give your car that aggressive look that we all want. Next up, CCS, our favorite stick-on brand, and this time it is a B-pillar for the coupe only. So this is on the exterior of the car, right behind your driver's side or passenger window. And this is a vented cover. So if you like that kind of rear window louver look, this is what this is gonna replicate on the side of the car. It's a nice, easy piece to put on there. It's a 3M on, stick it on, add that carbon fiber and that louver look. Moving on, we have two new products from C8 Rally Driver. One of them is a new color for a product we covered in the previous months, and that is the Z06 engine plaques, where you have your little build plaque on there. We pop that off, and we've gone over the colors before, which are paint matched and red and black anodized. They now have a blue anodized. So for you guys with the Rapid Blue and Elkhart Blue and stuff like that, you can add this to your Z06. And then also from them, kind of goes along with all those other paint matched colors, anodized colors, are their coupe trunk hatch support. So sorry convertible guys, we're back on the coupe stuff still, and these come in all the colors, all the paint match colors, all the anodized colors, and it replaces that cheesy looking factory hatch support that they have. I really like this upgrade, especially if you're at a car show and you have that open to show off your engine bay. I think it's a must. Go to the website, we have all the photos of those, show them installed and show all the colors. And it's a no-brainer to me if you're going to car shows. Last up for February is gonna be throttle bodies from Solar Engineering. First of all, we have Stingray throttle bodies. We have a 91 millimeter and a 95 millimeter that's gonna come with an adapter kit. Again, these are gonna help you flow more air. If you're tuning your Stingray, these are great options to add for headers intakes, things like that. Then we also have Z06 throttle bodies, which are a good add-on, and we have a whole slew of testing. We're gonna be doing that with intakes and etc. And then the last thing from Solar Engineering is a throttle controller for the Stingray and Z06. It's gonna help improve throttle response, so you're not getting a little bit of that dead spot with the drive-by-wire. This kind of takes that out of there. It's a pretty neat mod if you're looking for a little more feedback out of your throttle pedal. And that's it for new products February. Again, this month we did a little different with me in the warehouse. Behind me, you will see the organized side of the warehouse. And this is where Rob's gonna cut and put in a crappy side of the warehouse that we're still organizing. But again, all stocked here in Iowa, and I will see you in March. We good? You got me? Okay, just making sure. Nope, I don't wear hats. Wait, that didn't work. That was stupid. That's a wrap. See you next month.
Yeah.
You can fix that, can you?
Yeah.
You're a wizard.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Trunk open? Sorry. It is trunk. That's where you put the engine in this car. Damn it! Well, un momento. Guess we're gonna have to wait for the air compressor. Just a fake shop with fake sounds, Rob. Unbelievable. Let's start over. What's the word I'm looking for? Touchy, feely with your car? I don't know. Shut up. The accelerator, the loud pedal, please buy them.